This is Ground Media UG.
Okay, so Omani they don't ask Kula Bango Chukua. I get inspired, I learn from you. Hi everyone! Thank you for supporting Carol. Thank you so much. Team Carol, make some noise! Hey, Yandulu Temana! Temana! Let me tell you something. Everyone I think I'm going to do with the one step. So, I want to do city regular for Carol, yeah? Today is your day, and I don't want to take your day away from you, because it means a lot. I'm going to tell you regular, make some noise one more time! Say, no ma, no ma, no ma, no ma, le, 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 sing, no ma, no ma, no ma, no ma. Let's sing together, come on. Come on. I want to hear your beautiful voice. One thing. Jagana kumachamo tonto konechiro you want bala super quality to make them money you want me baby to come on call ya do it na manzi wala belo ya do wala mukwa faselo ya do it na makuma baka beba. Let me hear you. Ya do it na manzi wala belo ya do musaja mukwa faselo ya do it na makurani ya karo kama pepe musamanye. Pepe, this message is for you. Listen, Pepe, bakuyusa yusa, bakukoya, utoldi. Buba muliba liba, kabaloya, utoldi. Ate Pepe, mama fumita, amutima bakumenya, bakuyusa, sedokita, sokuha. Inako, buba mufumita, amutima bakumenya, bakuyusa, onondokita, asokukwata, akusemotelo. Omuwekiki, twagala yo mwana w'omubi, twagala n'agalongo. Listen, tubaka wepe, ewaffe twekulira, babuulira. Team Carol Kasita, make some noise! Yadari n'abantu balabe, Tony Rentula. I wanna hear you say one word for me. Tino, Tony Rentula. Bantu balabe. If there is any artist around, like for real, I love Carol because she loves me, and I wish you all the best in life. Jagana, Hold on, just a minute. There is a new song I came back and Chris Evans before I leave the stage. Yeah? I want to dedicate this message. Okay? Tunakaimba mukofeni. Eh? Na kisokoje pepe changu na nikoka baby na mchana. Abantu bamalawe. I was waiting for this moment. Come guys, come on. Pepe wacha kumwana. Amasokonga kasimele. Ogenda kukwatira ko kumukyawo tinyapola. I know maybe you've heard that before, but let's try. Amasokonga kasimele. Now chiraba. Omukwano lubabu. Now chiraba. Fefe. Omukwano lubabu. Hey! You guys love it so beautiful. How are you now? Amasokonga kasimele. Now chiraba. Omukwano lubabu. I don't want to get tired. Fefe ya misaboda. Urina nina kakaro sina mara. Hey. Oba kuweka kati. Oba kuweka kati. Tondu isaze. Njagala fefe kati. Oba kuweka. Fefe soko che. Karo jangu. Karo, I know you will escort us. Oba kuweka kati, tondu isaze, njagala fefe kati, oba kuweka kati. Oba kulaborencha. Ibirako, oba kuweka kati. Oba kulaborencha. Thank you so much. Oba kuweka kati, tondu isaze, njagala mukwano kati, oyagala mulize nkolitya, sogere kati, watama kumana sonyi nawe, ate olutiko. Olutiko nanywa chandoka. Zetondala wano, eyote bakulise numa fefe. Kachachi tegede chogamba, uwe hakate wetaji, omwana mukwatele. Nebacho yamala bine bintu boline fefe. Kachachi tegede chogamba, akalulu ka fefe ankaro kasita kaliwa. If you love this new song, Spice and Chris Evans, let me hear you say yeah. Katinjaga tukaimbe na wanda wabanga wakategede. Amasokonga kasimera. Omukwano lubabu. Neta mukulu. Okwabisobola oba kuweka kati. Oba kulaborencha. I love you guys. I love you. Enjoy the moment.
Thank you, Diana Love.
Hey, baby. How are you? You look so good. Happy New Year.
You look good.
Oh, happy Valentine's.
Merry Christmas.
Jabana kuvona, kuna chandina, kuna chikansalina, sigina kontena,
Don't send a rest in me, Nambo. I'm a wine and dine and bottom. Only negeri John, you miss so love. Name love is only not the city.
Me love the way you wind on the bottom. I'm a line on it. But I'm long and sick. Oh no more. Nele dia kuntuga. Oh my God, good dia kunema. Sugani antama. Wow, mano montama. Nele dia kuntuga. Oh my God, good dia kunema. Sugani antama. Wow, baby, no mitanda.
Wallahi, we're queen, we're empress. One day, tell you to come with business. Trumpet, the woman of your goodness. Never said Jabala Lava for no disappointment. You was in your carol. And you took a bullet and a woman run marrow. I take what Galanya with Carol. And the gun is a after somebody gonna going on love, do it again and again and again.
After change, I'm gonna going on lunch, baby. After lunch, after supper, I'm for my bestie.
Make some noise for my baby. I'm so proud of you, girl, man.
Thank you.
You're so strong. Speech now. I'm so proud of you, and I want to take this opportunity to thank my fellow Ugandans. Zinachi! Nachi! Thank you so much. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the love, man. Thank you for everything. Twins of Baba Sasulachi. I know I'm so proud of you. King is so proud of you. And I know Uganda is so proud of you. Thank you for shining.
So are the mothers, yeah?
Yeah.
Are the mothers proud? Now, mothers, you were asking me, Karo, Yadawatia, Ashkolatia, how does she look like that, Ngaya Kazala? First of all, I have a bestie. He's been taking very good care of me. Very good care. I can't tell you how, but in every way. What you want, Malageko? Where is our coach to Malageko? What we've been up to?
Where do you coach them?
Where the coach at?